welcome to Family and the Feast. Hi guys, welcome to Family and the Feast channel. In today's video, we're gonna make salmon. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements that we will be using in this video will be listed down below in the description box. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our channel for more videos. Let's get started, guys.
Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients you will need, guys. Salmon. I have some lemongrass, garlic, celery leaves. I have 1 pimento pepper. I have 2 scallion roots. I have all-purpose seasoning. I have some accent, some adobo, black pepper, and olive oil. So the first thing we're going to do is cut our salmon into small pieces. So you can cut your salmon to whatever size you like it. I like to keep mine a little bit small. And this is already washed and dry. Here you go, guys. So after we cut our salmon, I'm gonna go prepare my green seasoning for this. To prepare our green seasoning, we're gonna cut our pimento pepper into small pieces, and we're gonna crack our garlic. So I'm gonna just chop these. I'm gonna cut my scallions here, and I'm gonna cut my celery leaves. You want to try to get these as fine as possible, and you don't want to add any water while you're doing this. Our next step is to add all the seasoning, the green seasoning, to this. Here I'm gonna add some accent and my adobo and black pepper, and I'm gonna add my all-purpose seasoning. You want to make sure after you add all your seasoning together, you mix this in with your fingers, because the fish is so soft. If you try doing it with a spoon, it will fall apart. Here is a look, guys, once I've mixed in all my green seasoning. We're going to head over to the stove now. My stove will be on a medium heat. My olive oil. And you're gonna coat this to the bottom of your pan. Make sure the entire bottom is covered with the oil. So once your oil is hot, you're gonna put all the salmon you have in the pan. And try not to overcrowd your pan, because you will need space to turn these over. And for the lemongrass, this is how you're going to use it. You're going to cut them in small pieces, and you're going to set them in your pan every few corners. And we're going to allow this to cook slowly on medium heat. So guys, my salmon has been on the stove for 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn it so that the other side gets to cook. So it's been 5 minutes again, and I'm gonna turn it on the other side. And it is nice and golden brown on the top. For these thick part, guys, you can just turn them on the side and allow the side to get brown as well. So guys, it's been almost 20 minutes since my salmon is on the stove, and I am going to take these out now. Here's a look at my salmon, guys, once I put them in a plate. Chloe's gonna try them now, and she's gonna tell us how good it tastes.
Let's try it.
So guys, Chloe's gonna try our salmon and let you know how it tastes.
Yummy.
Oh.
Goodbye. Comment down below.
See you next time.
See you next time.